Hey everyone, I'm going to show you an AI that keeps track of the workflows you are doing on your computer. This AI records what you see on your screen, what you talk about, what you type. So I'm going to ask to map some of my workflows. Can you look at the past few days, maybe last week? And I'm doing a demo about showing that you are able to map some of my workflows, and I'm going to post it on internet, so it should not leak some private things. And can you map some of my workflows and then display in the chat? Later I will use it to potentially create some automation that do it every day, for example. And yeah, give me some of my workflows. So commit task trigger workflow type. So it looks like I often do like this kind of workflow where I'm building like a feature for the product on my Mac, and then I need to I'm connecting to my Windows machine remotely. Here, as you can see, try to see if the feature work on Windows also, and I do it regularly. Otherwise, I have also like meetings, so I always prepare my meeting before, have the meeting, after the meeting, write some reflections, some maybe follow up. And when I do like peer review or like release, I always before publishing the app always compare what the difference between latest published version and the version about to publish. I have like a checklist of things I need to test, and if if all the things pass, I'm going to publish it. And so this analysis, you can make it run on schedule then, like for example every day I can run this analysis and send you like notification on your computer, or like it could be Gmail, anything you want, or write it in Notion or something. Can you make this an automation pipe that runs every day at 6 p.m. and send me a notification? And then also that should use my Obsidian connection to write this workflow in my Obsidian vault in a separate folder. And so yeah, I'm a big user of like Obsidian, so I wanted to just write in my notes this workflow. And then later I could, if you are like individual, you can use it to optimize your workflows, automate things maybe, or just being used as like advanced time tracker. And if you are working in a company, you can use it as like across your team to map the workflows of the company, and it can be used to rework at bigger scale, like how things are done, and finding ways to leverage AI to make the company more productive based on like the workflows you currently have. It doesn't have to be about automating like specific workflows. It can be completely like rethinking, redesigning the entire way like the company is doing things. And so you see, it created this daily workflow map, and it's an automation. It's going to run every day at 6 p.m. And you just need to ask it to install it, and it's going to do it. And so now you see this AI is here. I'm going to make it use a ChatGPT model, GPT 5.4 by default, and every evening at 6 p.m. And it has access to my Obsidian Vault, which you can see here. It's configured to my specific folder, screenpipe. Yeah, that's it. If you want to try this out, just go to screenpipe.com, install the app, and you can connect your team. You can share your entire config with your team, your automations, what is recorded, what is filtered out. It's local first, it's very secure, private. See you, bye bye.